Hey guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the Shmoop website. Now, some of you have been in here and you've been working, and I am so impressed and I appreciate it. And some of you haven't been in Shmoop yet, or you haven't really been engaging with the curriculum, and that's okay too. But we are going to get caught up with that over the next couple of weeks. So, to navigate the website, you log in through Clever and then click Overview down here. Then you scroll down to Class Resources, and we want to open the ACT Exam Prep V3.0. Now from here, you guys should have filled out the getting started with your test date, all of that. You should have taken the diagnostic tests. Those should be done as well. If not, you would just click here to go to diagnostics, but your weekly lessons will say to complete drills. So I can click here for drills. And over here on the left, I have all of my subjects listed. Now, typically you're going to complete one drill per subject area each week. But since we're a little bit behind in Shmoop, we are going to need to catch up. So you might need to do 2 or 3, but that will be listed on your learning plan. So if you're doing what your learning plan says, then you're on the right track. So choose your subject. So let's say I'm going to start with English. It's Monday. I go to this first section that's listed here. And so the student, they've completed 3 drills. So I scroll down to drill 4 and you can see that it says start. I click start, I go through the lesson, complete it. Once it's done, I'm done with that one for now. Then I can go to the next subject and do the exact same thing. Start with, just do them in order. So I'm going to start here with drill 4 if I was this student. And then you keep going down through all of the sections. Now, writing, follow your learning plan. You do not have to do writing every week. This week we are going to do practice essay 1. So you will want to click that and start that. This video should help you navigate Shmoop so that you will feel confident in completing your lessons. Follow your learning plan to see how many of each drills you need to complete for each subject. If you have questions, reach out as soon as possible so I can help get you on the right track. Have fun!